Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This is a 360 video and you can view around by swiping, tilting, clicking, whatever works for your device. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving northeast on O'Mara Crescent towards Montgomery Avenue. On the left, we are passing the Trinity Moravian Church. Montgomery Avenue begins. On the left is Trinity Moravian Skills Development Center, and also here on the left is Overton Avenue. On the left is Grants Crescent. On the right is Richmond Park Avenue. On the left here is Lannerman's Preparatory School, and the road on the left is Terence Avenue. On the right is Westlake Avenue. On the left is Aldington Avenue. On the right is Truman Avenue. Montgomery Avenue ends here. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.